People pay a lot of money every month for their cell phone data plan. Today, I'm going to share with you free cell data plan. You probably heard about Net Zero. So Net Zero is a service that only is free for the first year, and every month you have 200 megabytes. But today, I'm going to show you how to use a service called a FreedomPop. That's a free service of 500 megabytes per month. FreedomPop. What is this used for? There are three situations. If you don't have any data plan, you can use it. Or if you have a cell phone data plan, but the cell phone provider doesn't allow you a tethering, or you just want a backup. So what's the catch? The catch is it's free, of course, but has a lower bound and upper bound. So the lower bound is 5 megabytes per month, and upper bound is 500 megabytes per month. What if you are lower than the lower bound or higher than the higher bound? If you are lower than the lower bound, you need to pay 99 cents per month. You know, I think this should not be a problem. People use it. You have a 5 megabytes pretty easy. What if you have higher? Then if you are higher than 500 megabytes per month, then 1 gigabyte per $20 you have to pay. That's why you should not use this to watch Netflix video. This is just one of the three situations you backup occasional use. Of course, if you use more heavily, they are still cheaper. One bit of caution. This is my account. If you notice the usage, 3 megabytes, 2 megabytes, those are rounded up. They rounded up, and I really didn't use much time. I think 5 or 10 minutes, that will consume 2 or 3 megabytes. So just you still have a 500, but just check your account often to see how they accumulate. So to get to the service, you have to go to freedompop.com. And over there you'll see two devices. One is called USB stick. So this is a USB stick. The other one is hotspot. So I'm going to explain what they are. The first one is $49 Freedom USB stick. So this is a stick, has an antenna. This antenna will communicate with a cell phone tower, and you plug in this. The other end is USB. You plug into your laptop or any device has a USB port. So in this way, your laptop through the USB and through the antenna and go to the cell tower, and you can use the internet that way. So that's the first one, USB stick. The second one is a device that is called a hotspot. It's just a device battery powered. What does it do is also there's an antenna on the hotspot device. The antenna will talk to the cell phone tower. And also this device has a Wi-Fi. So between this device and your laptop is the Wi-Fi. So your computer through Wi-Fi connect to this box. This box through the antenna will connect to the cell phone tower. That's how you connect to the internet. The hotspot is cool that you connect to any Wi-Fi device, Android, iPhone, or laptop. But it costs a little bit more, $89. When I say cost, what they call is not a cost, they call it a deposit. You deposit for this one is $49 plus $5 shipping. And if you return them, they promise to refund you money. Why do I trust them? I don't really know. It's really $49 or $53. If I get a few months worth of service, I make my money back. In addition, I checked the company. One of the Skype founder is the backer and advisor of FreedomPop. So I thought maybe because of his name, I don't mind to try it. You know, he's not a nobody. So first step, you go to the website, you order device. One of the two, I ordered the USB. Once I order, then I receive an email. Email is a FedEx tracking number. So once FedEx delivered, this is the box it delivered, and inside there's a FreedomPop device. You open this, you get the USB out, and also this has instruction inside. Has an instruction. Instruction says you have to plug into your laptop. By the way, when I tried at home, we have a Wi-Fi at home, so I just need to disable the Wi-Fi and connect this. The first time we'll have some notice of download the USB driver, but that's only first time. There's no need of installation. The instruction says set up your account here. For my device, I didn't have to set up. I don't know why. Actually, before I got the device, I already signed up on their website with an account. Maybe that was the setup they were talking about. But if you haven't done it, it says set up your account. How good it is. I tried it. You know, this is a 4G network. 4G network is a new technology. I tried it at home. It doesn't really have a service because we have not a very high density residential area. But I tried in the shopping area, on the highway, they all work. This is an example that it worked. This is USB stick, and I put some extension so I can, you know, if signal is not as strong, I can, you know, change certain angle. But I think usually it doesn't need it. You can just plug in to a USB drive. And once you plug in, you see this blue, and then there's a yellow here. And the yellow is gradually going to turn into green. Once that happens, that means you're connected. Just so simple. See, now I turn it green. Once you turn it green, you can browse internet. See, it connected. And I turn the Wi-Fi off, of course. So once this setup, what can you do with it? Of course, you can browse the internet. That's usual what you can use. The other one, I also tried a Google Voice. So from the Gmail account, you can dial out with your Google Voice number. So this is a voice over IP technology. You have a data. Over the data, you can make a phone call, a voice call. The second one I tried is called a virtual Wi-Fi router. So because I got this USB that connects to the laptop, it really doesn't provide a hotspot for another device. So what I did is I download virtual Wi-Fi router. It's a free download. You can go to download.com and download that to your computer. So this device connect to the laptop, and that software will run on your laptop. and the laptop has a Wi-Fi. That Wi-Fi is the your Wi-Fi router now. So other device, say iPhone, Android device, will connect to your Wi-Fi from the laptop. So this free software just enable you to offer a free hotspot.